This is the SMLERAY Boho Ceiling Fan with light, 6-speed, low profile, flush mount ceiling fan with remote control, bladeless, quiet DC motor for bedroom, kitchen, and living room. It's a great looking fan and light. Looks like there's spots for 5 bulbs in there, though I have one missing. It has a mount for the remote and control, where you can control the light as well as the fan. There's also 6 speeds for the fan. This is the highest speed. Pushes a lot of air. There's also timers on it, so you can set the times: 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours to have it automatically turn off. You can also rotate the fan forward or reverse. Overall, I think it's good quality and I recommend it.